Pelajaran 23, Minggu ke-23, bulan ke-6. Pada pelajaran kali ini, kita akan mempelajari hal-hal seputar pekerjaan dalam bahasa Inggris. Sekarang, katakan kepada kawan Anda, di mana asisten Anda?
Where is your secretary? Where is your assistant? Where is your boss?
Siapa langganan-langganan Anda?
Who are your customers? Who are your visitors? Who are your guests?
Saya memerlukan pertolongan Anda.
I need your help. I need your money. I need your photo.
Apakah Anda sering menulis laporan-laporan?
Do you often collect information? Do you often write reports? Do you often study statistics?
Saya tidak mempunyai perusahaan besar.
I don't have a big company. I don't have a private office. I don't have a private secretary.
Ia memberi saya surat-surat penting.
He gives me the important letters. He answers only. He takes only.
Saya akan menyewa asisten lain.
I'll hire another assistant. I'll hire a new secretary. I'll hire a clerk.
Hafalkan kalimat-kalimat berikut ini sebelum meneruskan ke pelajaran berikutnya.
This is my office. That is your office. Look at his office. Look at her office. Have you seen our office?
Sekarang, gantilah kata office menjadi birthday present, rice field, library, photo album, workshop, hospital, new bicycle, broken doll. Percakapan. Mengganti pekerjaan.
Good morning. Your name, address, and telephone number, please.
My name is David. My address is on Jalan Sleepy, number 2, and my phone number is 42886726.
Do you have a job now?
Yes, I'm a driver now.
How long have you worked as a driver?
I have worked as a driver for 2 years.
Why do you want a new job?
I am trying to change my job as a driver.
I need an experienced machinist.
Oh, yes, I am an experienced machinist.
All right. You'll have to take a test tomorrow.
Fine, see you tomorrow.
Hafalkan kata-kata atau ungkapan berikut sampai mahir.
Fill out these forms. I have no telephone. If you would like to call me, please dial 548-0590. I don't mind, sir. This is my bachelor certificate. It is too far from my home. I need a good secretary. You must start right away. My certificates are English, bookkeeping, typing, and correspondence. My driver license is Major A. He was not involved in the crime. Tell briefly. I am employed as a. I am sure I will. To sign the contract. My last salary. Try to look for a new job. Unforgettable experience. Apply to our company.
Kata kerja dengan kata depan.
Of, accuse of, approve of, assure of, beware of, boast of, complain about, consist of, convince about, cure of, deprive of, derive of, despair of, dream about, excuse of, excuse for, expect of, expect from, get rid of, hear from, smell of, suspected of, think about, warn of, warn against. I accused Herman of stealing. Don't boast of your position. From, borrow from, defend against, demand from, demand of, differ from, dismiss from, draw from, emerge from, escape from, hinder from, prevent from, prohibit from, protect against, receive from, separate from, suffer from. I am suffering from malaria. He borrowed some money from his neighbor. In, absorb in, believe in, delight in, employ in, encourage in, engage in, experience in, fail in, help with, include in, indulge in, instruct in, invest in, persist in, share in. Do you have any experience in writing? Does this course include text and service? On, act on, based on, call on, comment on, concentrate on, congratulate on, consult on, count on, decide on, depend on, economize on, embark on, experiment on, insist on, lean against, live on, operate on, perform in, pride on, rely on, vote for. Don't lean on the wall. I began by experimenting on the samples. 2. Amount to, appeal to, apply for, attach to, attend to, belong to, challenge to, compare with, condemn to, confess to, confine to, consent to, convert to, entitled to, listen to, mention to, object to, occur to, prefer to, react against, reply to. Does this necklace belong to you? Listen to me. By, benefit by, come by, go by. Have you benefited by the promotion? Do you want to go by train? At, aim at, amused by, arrive at, arrive in, astonished at, astonished by, exclaim at, glance at, guess at, knock at, look at, point to, shocked at, shocked by, stare at, surprised at, surprised by, wonder at, wonder about, work at, work on. Yosron aimed at the bird. They arrived at Barus last week. 4. Account for, act for, apologize for, apologize to, ask for, blame for, call for, charge for, exchange for, hope for, look for, mistake for, mourn for, pay for, prepare for, search for, thank for, vote for, vote on, wait for, wait on. They are waiting for me. With, agree with, begin with, communicate with, compare to, compete with, compete against, comply with, confuse with, contrast with, cope with, correspond with, disgusted with, finish with, help in, interfere with, interfere in, mixed with, part from, pleased with, quarrel about, reason with, satisfied by, threaten with.
He doesn't agree with you. Have you finished with your work?